All right, so let's break down this trade that I took this morning. We're going to go top-down analysis from what I did as soon as I hopped on the charts. So started out in the 1 hour time frame on ES futures, or I mean, technically I'm on the micros chart, but it's still the same thing. So we started out in the 1 hour chart, marked out London high. New York AM low from yesterday was still intact, did not get swept or anything. Previous day low was right below New York AM low from yesterday. So those are two levels that I was marking out to see that price could potentially draw towards. And I dropped down to the 15-minute time frame from there after I got done on the 1 hour. Charted out the 7 to 7:15 Central Time candle. It's to me, it's a pretty important liquidity zone for the day. Price could either, obviously right now it's kind of chopping around, but if you guys zoom in, 15-minute time frame could either just respect it, come back up, pull back, respect anywhere in the midpoint, and then continue lower, or disrespect it and continue towards draws higher, and then keep dropping down in the 5 minute. So the 5 and 15 minute both respected this midpoint, came back up. I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, a handful of times come up, respected this midpoint, and then you guys can drop down to the 1 minute. So what I was looking for, market open was right here, this white candle right here. Let me zoom in. So market open was right here, came up. I had a limit order set right here, missed it off open, and then we came down. 5 minute ended up sweeping New York AM low, so I was a little cautious of wanting to short, but I had conviction solely because the 5 and 15 minute both were heavily respecting this zone pre-market. So right after it swept out New York AM low from yesterday, I reset a sell limit for 10 micros right here at, what's this price level, is 68.7750. Put my limit order, buy stop at 6 points, buy limit at, I mean, it's kind of at like 9 points. I had to go back in for another position just to grab like $60 more in profit. But you guys can see as soon as it swept us low, price started moving up towards this liquidity zone. Price actually closed above it on the 1 and 5 minute simultaneously. So that was a little bit concerning, but just from the conviction I had pre-market and what this liquidity zone looked like, I had full conviction in this trade, and luckily it played out. Literally, it lasted probably like 60 seconds maybe. I took profit here, and then I needed probably like $20 more on my eval account, so I just clicked sell again, and then I just needed like 1 or 2 ticks in profit, and then I closed. So yeah, we got this evaluation account pass. I don't even know if you guys can see it. No. All right, so I got a 25K evaluation on my fund of futures, and it's currently sitting at 26,500. So I got $1,500 in profit. So going forward, I do have a scaling plan written out. For every $500 in drawdown, I'm going to be using 1 micro. So depending on how much drawdown I have for this account, I'm going to be obviously using micros to scale this account, because my goal is to get a payout with this account. And I want to reach a little bit more allocation with my fund of futures. So yeah, that's the plan, man. But yeah, overall good day. Gonna continue trading the opening range breakout of New York session. So yeah.